Have you ever looked at a formula in Excel and went, what the hell does that mean? What is it doing? Oh my God, I have no clue. I'm Tina Palmgren with Excelling Your Business, and I'm here to tell you there's actually an easy way to understand what Excel formulas are doing. And I'm going to show you the difference between regular data in Excel and creating a formula, and using a table and creating formulas in a table, and how it makes it much easier to read and how Excel will do more work for you. So let's get to it. I am going to show you how we can read a formula very easy. I'm going to click in the cell T, and right up here in the formula bar you can see the formula. It says if S2 equals keg, then N2 times R2, else 0. What the hell does that mean? You know, most people don't have a clue. What's N2? What's R2? What's S2? You know, it doesn't make any sense. There's no context to it. So when I hit the F2 key, which is your key to edit a formula, it shows you, highlights right up here, what it's looking at. So it's saying S2, so it's color-coded blue. So if S2 equals keg, in this case it does not, it equals case. It's going to skip the first part of the formula and do the second part of the formula. So it's going to put in a 0. So I'm going to hit escape so I don't change anything. I'm going to do the same thing here. And this one says if S2 equals case, and in this case it does equal case, then it's going to N2, which is the quantity, times R2, which is the conversion rate. Else it would have done 0. So I'm going to hit escape so you can see that because this one's case, it's actually doing the formula here. So I'm going to come back over to this other template right over here, and I'm going to look at the same things. So I'm going to hit F2 again, but in this case when you're reading this, it says if at case or keg. So the at means this row, and case or keg is the column heading. So instead of column S and S2 as in the other one did, this says case or keg. So it's easier to read already. If it equals keg, it's going to do the quantity times the conversion, otherwise it's going to put in a 0. So this one is 0 because it does not equal keg, it equals case. So the same thing here when I look at this one. If it equals case, and in this case it does equal case, it's going to do the quantity times the conversion, and otherwise it'll put in 0. So if I hit escape here, you can see this one does equal case, so it puts the formula in there. So if I scroll down, you can see some that have keg down here, the number is here, and it's 0 there. So it makes it easier to read the formula. This is a table. The reason I know it's a table is because I have a table design tab up at the top, and I can click on that. My table is called a tax template. Tables normally are called table 1, table 2, table 3, but you can rename them to anything you want. They cannot start with a number, nor can it have a space in there. So if you see mine, I have a capital T, AX, capital T for template. And that's how I typically do it. If I click off of this table, that table tool design tab goes away. So that's how I know if I have a table or not. So you can see how much easier it is to read a formula when you're using the headings because it means something to you. So I would love it if you would want to learn more about how you can use Excel and make it make sense for you to understand. I would love to do a quick 15-minute call with you at your own convenience. You can use the bit.ly number, our bit.ly link right there, and it would take you directly to my calendar. It's a free 15-minute discovery session just to see if it makes sense for you to get on board on how Excel can make your business more efficient. And that's what I love to do, is helping you do your business, because I know you didn't get in business to do the paperwork of running your business, but that's what I love to help you with, so you can serve your clients and I'm serving you by helping you be more effective and make a bigger difference in the world. Thank you and have a great day.